How to play Honkai Star Rail with controller. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to open up your Honkai Star Rail. Now once you are in your gaming application, you have to navigate to the settings option. Once you are in your settings, go ahead and tap on your in-game settings option, through which you need to navigate to the controller setting to activate your controller. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on your controller and configure according to your requirement. You can adjust the movement sensitivity of your controller for a smooth gameplay. Once your controller has been activated, you will see an interface something like this. As you can see, this is how it's gonna look if your controller has been activated on your Honkai Star. Now it is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out the help and support of HoYoverse, as HoYoverse actually owns the gaming of Honkai Star Rail. And that is all for the video as well. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you.